The India-bound MG ZS EV has scored a 5-star safety rating in the latest round of Euro NCAP crash test. The electric SUV scored 90% for adult occupant protection, 85% for child occupant protection, and safety assist system scored 70%. Vulnerable road user protection scored 64%. The MG ZS EV gets 6 airbags as standard, along with ABS and electronic stability control. There is hill descent control and hill start assist and rear parking sensors and ISOFIX child seat mounts as well. The India spec MG ZS will be identical to the European spec car, which has been crash tested, reassuring the safety for the upcoming model, which will be launched in January 2020. Maruti Suzuki Ertiga is perhaps the best-selling MPVs in the country. Launched 8 years ago, Maruti Suzuki has sold over 5 lakh units since then. Maruti Suzuki sold 4,18,128 units of the first generation model in 7 years, and the company sold more than 1 lakh units of the new generation in just 13 months. This has helped in getting Maruti a share of 50.3% in the MPV segment from 25.3%, which is a massive jump. Yamaha Motor India has unveiled the 2020 MT-15 BS6 compliant version. The 2020 Yamaha MT-15 BS6 will go on sale by February next year and will get an updated powertrain that meets the new emission norms, along with a new color scheme and a new list of value-added features. The Yamaha MT-15 is also expected to get a price hike of 3,000 to 4,000 rupees over the current asking price of 1,36,000 rupees. Upgrades on the 2020 Yamaha MT-15 BS6 include the new Ice Flue Vermilion color scheme that brings a white base shade with a host of graphics and orange painted alloy wheels.
If you like this video and you like what we do, well, you've got to simply subscribe to our channel. We'll keep things simple yet comprehensive.